popular go by the name Batman 6 and in the street of football. But Yaduli Bifi. We are joined together Namachita Zakipa Block 4. You know Soweto Masters Super League. Today it's number 8 up against number 5. So one so I'm chilling here. The Hotmani coach Wamapucha. Today ready Chaiva Mapucha today as in the host like fighters. Okay, I introduce yourself to me.
Sanbona never fit to school coach Wamapucha. As was introduced the currently number 5 on the log, but looking for we are to top 4. So Sizela for 3 points and nothing less.
So kona story nje. Ama-rumors anokubhala ukuthi iFighters anawina against him.
Ngeke iqale iphilile namhlanje. Kuyohlale kunjalo nabo bayalazi ukuthi.
So niyaphezulu or niyaphansi?
Thina?
Yeah.
Wethu wantsoya usabig part.
Mina one thing I would tell you ukudlala nomuntu ku-8th place ungamnyathi leyo muntu lo yabo. Wena you got nothing to lose and you have everything to lose. So ungathini for ama-player wakho before sefika nje iFighters?
Firstly, wonke umuntu has got something to lose, yabo. Wonke umuntu 3 points that it is at stake kubandayo. So not to be aiming ukuthi sibe nelanga eligrand from amajita. We know man masihlala neFighters njalo. Atmosphere from ngaphandle like iyabhaza, so nathi game sihlale sifuna ukuba nayo leyo yabona siyazi sidlana amajita grand fair play into sicover emajiteni ukuthi into ehlala ikhona. So yeah, we're looking forward to a game grand. Obviously thina sibheke iwini lana kule game yafandayo yabona, but yeah, we're just looking forward to a game competitive game grand nathi nje siz apply for.
Okay, no stress because I can see good man win nje fandayo 9 points. So, up against no 9. 10.
Yes, must win at
10. So, nizobe nhlabela khona kuLimpopo naMalona.
With the big boys.
Hey, bana. So there was a guy in Figena here out Shine Demeruna. I love to interview him because we figured out what he navuka eliganje but tell something.
Oh, Mozambique. Yeah, sure. I know flop.
Yeah. Sam Peter, all the best now. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, Inge. Again. Best of 10.
Okay. Mina ngusizwe oramndebele. Head coach Palace FC. So I'm just gonna say I'm at the trade game this season. Today we had a good game nama Gents. The only thing I highlight is the referee. If Amagents are prepared, they can organize a referee for Tina points. We'll end up seeing one in 10 years because I want to have a charge. But I can say Amagents, I have intercepted with discipline on the field. I'm right, 10 minutes to so let's improve nje. Coach wa mesingatshela ama-player ama-Gents lesinodlala lana entertainment. So kumele sihlangane kunokuthi asinqanqe la sibone ground sekubona 2 minutes siyaliva. 2 minutes siyaliva. But the game anyway, it was a good game. Both teams had their chances, but I think we missed most of the chances. The penalty. That's it.
Yeah, sure. Good from Coach Wamapucha. Yeah, ngicale nami eda ku point la kapha my favorite coach. Masidama game lawa we-social ukuthi sitryla standard. So nathi nje ilesson lesithatha sibuyela nayo emuva sikhuluma nama-respective teams wethu highlight nje the importance yalama game nanokuthi so ayenzelane nama-game. Going to a game it was a game balance. I'd say it was a game of 2 halves. Even in the first half, I'd say was shy tactically. That's where they were stronger than us tactically. In terms of football-wise, we played better, we created more chances than them. When they were tactically smarter than us for a day. So that's what we had as well. Ukubuyela nje emuva nje nathi siyacela nje ukuthi league ayisihloniphe when it comes to our football. So for we babayenza igame babaye emotional but njengoba besihighlighthile before igame iqala ukuthi amajita lawo esidlala nawo siyawazi from ngaphandle siyazi that fun that buzz there bayibringa into the field. That's why we appreciate that amagame afana no-finals ngaphandle kwalokho yani siyabonga it was a great day.
Sanbonani de Vias, Dubuela Isaac Wamolefe from Dufaya Middlelands. So not la paka e tlile mo ke tlo dlala le Dube. So the way ke tlo dlala ka teng ke sure gore ka ge ke le number 10 ke a khuphuka yana. Ke a go number 7 ke batho ipona ke sharpile. And the scores I get is short to catch it's 2-1. Today's 2-1. The point they are khuphuka. I ke khale ke dlala di toro am second tight ka di toro le di player ke bile le tsona ka no ba shebe ke na le player mole encha ke stoka ke mitsa re ke stoka ba tla bona mole hey e etsa go tse motho ba tlo bona ka yona tsone go etsa gore ke shape batho ba 2-1 ka lebo we must start ke molone
Sibingelele South Super League Kamala Mumedisi from Blue Masters. Igame namhlanje for mina ayikho nzima kakhulu because angiluzile and then ngikuposition number 16 so we position very very bad so ngajilile ukuthi kule kancane ukuthi akhuphule performance indawo esibuye kwiliga ayikho sharp so sikhuphuke and then maswina la and then sizowina 3-1. I'm telling you, zone 3-1, and then we was khuphuka ngiye lapha ku number 12 and then we position so ngajile majithi ukuthi speak it up siye phezulu ngiyabonga. So give me Pelile to throw a 6-6, but I'm very very disappointed about my player. It's not focused, very serious. I'm winning 6-4, but in the fire yabuya equalizer. So I'm a player wami awekho focus. So ngizozama ukuthi nami fixe lapha nalapha, but akukho pet. So part game our football when you accept anything eyenzakala egroundini so engizokusho nje Super League yethu ilethanga referee likasasijajela abekho good nama mistake amaningi esingeke sikhona kwachaza manje ngiyabonga
nami ngiyabonga igame ibemnandi sidlale kahle neDube igame the way we are khona le balance side yonke so ngithi ngiyabonga into engikhala ngayo i-1 ngabo referee ngathi bangayenza abakhulu laba phezulu ukuthi basithole labo referee aba right ukuthi kungacorrupt amagame makudlala eground because kuba ne-corruption eningi kwenzakala mhlobo sekuyaluya kwenza so into esho ayifunakala sinokuthi amagame abe right so igame namhlanje ngiyabonga bengingaacceptanga ukuthi sidlala dorobe ngithi ngiyabashaya mara bangibonisile ukuthi hayi babuyaphi ngiyabonga fair game nice game ngiyabonga.